Just for context, this is my schedule this week. So I worked on Sunday. This was my Monday schedule. This is my today schedule, the day that you just saw. And then this is tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is my crazy life this week. Good morning, everyone. Today is April either 9th or 10th. I can't remember. But it's a beautiful day outside. It's supposed to be 70-ish degrees today, which is nice because it's only like the beginning of spring. This is the outfit of the day. And I'm walking to the math tutoring room. It's about 8:45 in the morning, and I'm gonna get some help with calculus. One of my favorite tutors does like a time slot from 9 to 10, so I'm trying to catch him so he can help me. Under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Oh, they have tents set up for something. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe it's one of the welcome student events? I'm not sure. That's interesting. That's new. Don't get run over by the green line. There's not usually that many people out this early in the morning. So it's kind of nice to have some peace and quiet, especially when you go to a pretty big school. Double integrals and distance today made me understand, but the really good tutor that I was talking about was really helpful today. So that's the building I was in, the Jenga building. So I'm excited to get started. I got a table tea breakfast. I made myself half of a waffle, eggs, potatoes. I'm gonna try this banana muffin. It's probably not as good as the ones that I make, but and I got a pineapple banana smoothie. So I'm gonna quickly eat, and then I'm gonna go do some more calc. Oh yeah, and then during this time, I'm going to check my emails and my text messages because I don't typically do that in the morning when I just wake up, and so just so I'm more productive. So now I have to catch up on some emails, and yeah, so. I just finished breakfast, and I actually saw Eliana at the dining hall. She scared me, but she's gonna go eat breakfast now, so I just quickly talked to her. We might study together tonight, but we'll see. And now I'm taking the escalators down to go back to the data science building to do some more calculus work. I only have 2 problems left this week. I wouldn't say I understand everything, but I have a tutoring appointment, like one-on-one with someone at 7 o'clock tonight, so at least if I get the homework problems done, then tonight I'm just going to review concepts. I have a midterm in 2 weeks from now for that class, and then I have to do some physics tonight because I also don't know what's happening in physics. Like, physics is probably worse than calculus right now. And then I have a linear algebra midterm on Friday this week. It's a busy week, but we're coming down to like the end of the semester, which is really nice. I'm excited to like have the feeling of like I conquered the semester. Yes, I'll come. heading to physics now. I tried to do a little bit of physics, but I didn't understand. I thought I got the right answer. I thought I was being really smart because I was like piecing together all of these things, but I didn't even get one physics question done. So now I'm going to physics because that's how we solve physics problems, right? Anyways, I'm kind of frustrated, but I have class from 2 until 6:15, so yeah, that'll keep me occupied, and then I'll actually have to figure out these physics problems. Yeah, so that's where I'm walking to right now. Look how pretty it is. It's so warm, you don't even need to be wearing a jacket. That cap for physics first. I just got more water and I'm fueled and mentally preparing for physics. Boom.
More than welcome. So you can bring your family and friends. You can give it as a gift. It says $50 value wet on the ticket. Once again, we get a limited number of passes. Hand them out first come, first serve till we sell out. For New York Comedy Club, it's a lot of fun. $10 for one ticket gets 2 people in, and you have 3 years to bring anybody you like on any day of the week to any show of your choice. By a quick show of hands, who would like to go?
Just finished chem pre-lab. I didn't video any of it because I was just checking my emails during the entire time. I don't really pay attention in that class. But now I'm eating a snack and I'm gonna work on some physics homework while I wait for my chem lecture to start. So that's why the whiteboard comes in handy. Emails, and I'm a student host for the multicultural welcome for BU students. Oh, I dropped my water bottle. For BU students this Thursday and Friday, so I'm just looking ready for chemistry. I'm at Marciano's now, one of the dining halls, and I made myself a salad for dinner. And I have about 30 minutes to eat before I need to go to my tutoring appointment for calculus tonight. And so I'm going to do that really quick. Today is quite a day. A fun-filled, eventful day. Got a fork.
Going down.
Hey, I just finished my calc tutoring session with one of the tutors. I signed up for one of his sessions a while ago to prepare for my first midterm, and he was really good, so I signed up for him again. He was really helpful again. So now it's 8 o'clock and I think I'm going to go back to my apartment. I was gonna go to the engineering tutoring place to do physics homework, but it's 8 o'clock and I don't have badge access to my own department building, which is kind of sad, but there's like some error applying for my badge access. So I think I'm just gonna go back to my apartment and I'll do some work there. That way I can also go to bed earlier tonight. I also have to review for linear algebra because I have a midterm on Friday and I haven't studied for it at all, and I can't study for it Thursday, Friday because I'm hosting like the overnight students, prospective students, I think. So yeah, but first I'm gonna stop by the convenience store to get a naked juice for tomorrow because I have a physics lab for 3 hours tomorrow starting at 8 a.m. So I'm not gonna be able to eat breakfast and I'm gonna be hungry. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head back. It's been a day. I'm gonna head to the convenience store now to get breakfast, but I thought I would just give a few reflections from today. My first reflection is to not be afraid to ask for help when you need it, especially when the course content gets hard and you don't understand what's happening in class. Today, like, I didn't do any of the other extracurricular activities that I normally do, like going to lab or going to BMC. I spent literally my entire day studying, going to class, and that's very different for me. I'm not used to that. And so I think it's definitely a balance, and I definitely feel the rigor of my courses like picking up. But I don't know. It's a challenge. But I'm thinking ahead to like next semester's classes and what I want to take and with who, because this semester I've learned that it really matters the people that you're taking it with to teach you. Okay, I'm gonna go to the convenience store. Never mind. I just came out of Cityco. I decided I was gonna get my naked juice and a yogurt for my friend for our lab together tomorrow morning. But I realized it's really warm outside today. Despite the fact I'm wearing a jacket, it's 70 something degrees outside. And so I'm going to just get it tomorrow morning. I'm gonna wake up a little bit earlier so I can walk there and get it before my lab tomorrow at 8 a.m. because I realized it probably won't be good if I just leave it out and it's gonna grow moldy. So I'm just gonna walk back to my apartment now. Enjoy the streets of Boston. I just showered, excuse the look, but what I didn't tell you guys is that I actually skipped linear algebra this morning. It's a 1.5 hour class this morning from 9:30 to 10 to 11. I actually skipped that class so that I could go to the calc tutoring center with that tutor that helped me a lot this morning. And so part of what I'm gonna do tonight is so my lectures are recorded, so I'm gonna go watch those back, and my teacher has note packets, so I'm gonna fill out one of those note packets with the lecture notes from today. And then I'm gonna try and do some more physics online problems. I haven't even started the written like paper ones, but I'm gonna do the online ones, and that's my goal for the night. So I'm just gonna look over the linear algebra stuff that I missed from this morning, and I'm gonna finish the online homework problems. On Pearson, it says it estimates 45 to 55 minutes, but it'll definitely take me double that time for physics. So it's 8:42 right now. So by the time I finish all of that, it'll probably be like 10:30. And then I'll relax for a little bit and go to bed. So I'm just gonna call it a day now so that I can like focus on my work and so that I can edit this vlog tonight. And for my night study snack tonight, I'm gonna eat a pear and some crackers. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me for the ride today. It was a very different day than normally, but we're coming up to final season and second midterm season. So it's busy. But that's what it's like being an engineering student. You kind of gotta sacrifice some things. So I'll see you guys soon, and I hope you enjoy. Just for context, this is my schedule this week. So I worked on Sunday. This was my Monday schedule. This is my today schedule, the day that you just saw. And then this is tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is my crazy life this week.